In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to your Activepieces application in Dokploy. We'll be doing this directly from the Dokploy dashboard in Chrome, and the process is quite straightforward once you know where each setting lives. The goal here is to assign your own domain to the Activepieces app, turn on SSL so the connection is secure, and then make sure your DNS records are pointed correctly so everything works as expected. To begin, open your Dokploy dashboard in Chrome and locate your Activepieces application. Go ahead and click into it so you can access the app's configuration. This is where Dokploy lets you manage the deployment settings for that specific service, including how it's exposed on the web. Once you're inside the Activepieces application settings, navigate to the Domains tab. This section is where you connect a public-facing domain or subdomain to your app. If you've never set this up before, this area may be empty, and that's completely normal. Now enter your custom domain name in the domain field. Make sure you type it carefully, since even a small typo can prevent the domain from resolving correctly. After that, enable the SSL options. Turning on SSL is important because it allows your site to load securely over HTTPS, which helps protect traffic between your users and the application. In most cases, this is something you'll want enabled right away, rather than adding later. After entering the domain and enabling SSL, the next step is to point your DNS records to Dokploy. This part happens with your domain provider, where your DNS is managed. You'll need to create or update the required DNS record so that your custom domain directs traffic to your Dokploy server. Be sure the record matches the destination Dokploy expects. If you already had an older record in place, double check that it's not conflicting with the new one. Once your DNS records are set correctly, return to Dokploy and click Save. At that point, Dokploy can begin applying the domain configuration and SSL settings to your Activepieces application. Keep in mind that DNS changes don't always update instantly. Sometimes everything works within a few minutes, and other times it can take a bit longer to fully propagate. If the domain doesn't load right away, give it some time and then test again using HTTPS to confirm the SSL certificate is active. That's it. Your Activepieces app should now be connected to your custom domain through Dokploy with secure SSL enabled.